Alright guys, moving on to the last part, which is the savage part. Now, before I show you the preview, I just want to say that due to copyright reasons, I can't use the real lyrics, so I'm gonna change it slightly. Okay, so let me show you a preview of the last part, which is the savage part. So it goes from here, it goes, I'm a sausage. Clap. Crabby, booger, rabbit. Cat. Mwah. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, now let me break it down for you. So we are here, covering your face, or whatever it is that you're doing with your freestyle. So from here you want to do the whoa. So I lower my hands and then I go. Yeah, so I'm prepping by taking my right up here, my left is down here, before I go opposite, whoop. And then left goes down, around, clap. Yeah, so just think of doing, you can also do the normal whoa here and just go clap. Just think of doing the whoa and then clap. So let's just try that from covering your face for what it is that you're doing in your freestyle. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go, I'm a sausage, clap. Okay, so right after the clap, the hands are going swing to your left, swing to your right. So you're going boom, 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 boom. Now, you can add some hips here. Yeah, so you can either just go, stay up here and go hip, hip. So hip, hip, or you can go dip, dip. Yeah, so I'm just bending my knees down, up, and also trying to move my butt from side to side. And at the same time, it's gonna look like this. Swing, 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 swing. We're only doing 2 of those, so right after I cover your face, we go whoa, clap. You wanna go swing to the left, swing to the right. And you know what, let's do it from covering our face, yeah? Or what it is that you're doing. So from here, you wanna go whoa, and clap, and swing left, and swing right. Yeah, let's just try that again. So, whoa, clap, swing left, swing right. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Whoa, clap, swing left, swing right. Now from here, what you want to do is say, what I do is I take a step back with my right here. So I was here. Now I'm taking a step with my right to say, swing up my hip here to the front. Yeah, so what I'm doing, I'm just going to show it from another angle here. So if this was the front, I would be going down, and then I would swing my left hip, to the front. Yeah, so I'm down here in this sitting position, and I'm going swing it up, down, up, up. And you're only doing that twice. So you're saying swing, swing, take a step to your right, sit, and then go hip up, down, and up again. Now your arms are saying, the right arm is going up to behind your head like that, yeah, and the left is saying hip around, and pull back. Yeah, so when I pull back, I shoot off my hip again. So first hip is saying around, next hip is saying pull. So let's just rewind a bit. We did swing left, swing right, now sit back and go hip up and pull. Now from here, the last part is the mwah sound, and that was also meant for freestyle, so do whatever you want. Yeah, I just go boom from here, I just go kiss, mwah. Okay guys, now let's just do a quick recap of part 3 here. So from covering our face, we are saying the whoa, clap, then we say swing left, swing right, move back, say hip, and a pull hip, and a kiss. Now the timing. So the timing is from covering our face, we want to say sausage, clap, crabby, booger, rabbit, Ka. And then mwah. Okay, so let's practice that a few times. We're gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna go sausage. Yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go sausage. Clap. Crabby. Booger. Rabbit. Cat. Mwah. Let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go sausage. Clap. Crabby. Booger. Rabbit. Cat. Mwah. One last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go sausage. Clap. Crabby. Booger. Rabbit. Cat. Mwah. Alright guys, now let's combine the whole thing. So part 1, part 2, and part 3. So I'm just gonna show you a quick preview, then we're gonna go do a quick run through, and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so a quick preview, it goes, stop, wait a minute, 'cause you're not the girl I fell in love with, baby, who are you, 'cause I'm a sausage, clap. Crabby, booger, rabbit, cat. Alright, now a quick run through. So, just say stop, do whatever you want. Wait a minute, do whatever you want. And you say point, cross, and then out. From here, you want to say hands on your chest, throw them up, pull down. You can even do a body roll here if you want. And now from here, you want to say right hand left shoulder, and then you say drag it, crush your chest. And then opposite, left hand, right shoulder, drag it across your chest. Now notice that you can also do this leaning to your left corner, leaning to your right corner, or just turning, whoop, whoop. So whoop, whoop. From here you want to say pray, both hands. And then you want to say right hand down on your body here, and then left hand follows, whoop. So it goes whoop, whoop. Notice I'm also doing a body roll here. So from the side, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. From here, you want to say lean back, hands to the front. Then you want to say lean to the front, to the right side. And then you want to say throw your arms around, go to the center. And then you want to say front again, now to the left side. And then throw your arms around. Now from here, directly, elbows up, whoop. And then you want to say in, hands up to your face, or just freestyle. I'm gonna explain you the timing after. So from here, you wanna sit down, you wanna do the whoa, whoop, and then clap. From here, you wanna say swing, hips to your left, hips to your right. Your legs are doing a step back, hip, front, down, front. Now the arms are saying pull up, behind your head with your right, and then the left is saying around and pull. Yeah, so when you do it all together, boom, boom, it's around and pull. From here, you just want to do kiss, or whatever you want. Okay, that was a super quick run through. Let me just explain the timing as well. So the timing is stop, wait a minute, 'cause you're not the girl I fell in love with, baby, who are you, cat, pistol sound, from here, I'm a sausage, clap, crabby, booger, rabbit, cat. Alright guys, now let's just practice that a few times. We're gonna start off slow and then we're gonna build up some speed. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Stop. Wait a minute, 'cause you're not the girl I fell in love with, baby, who are you cat, cat, cause I'm a sausage. Cat, crabby, booger, rabbit, cat. Alright, now let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go stop. Wait a minute, cause you're not the girl I fell in love with, baby. Who are you? Cat, cat, cause I'm a sausage. Clap, crabby, booger, rabbit, cat. Alright guys, one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go stop. Wait a minute, cause you're not the girl I fell in love with, baby. Who are you? Cat, cat, cause I'm a sausage. Clap, crabby, booger, rabbit, cat. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. So, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Who X Savage dance on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.